T to the E to the SLA. I invest in this company every damn day. I'm a hustler, flipping Tesla stocks. Yeah, I'm a hustler, flipping Tesla stocks. You did. Feel good investing, y'all. F with me. What's crack-a-lacking, y'all? This Feel Good with Feel Good Investing, and I came across a stock today that I want to share with y'all. It's a penny stock, but I normally don't invest in penny stocks, but sometimes you gotta go against the grain and go with your intuition, and my intuition is telling me that this stock is gonna do numbers. So we're talking about ticker symbol MDGS, as you see in the top left hand corner. It has a bullish indicator on the IC cloud right here. This is letting us know that it's projected to go up. The RSI is high, but I'm not worried about that. I normally don't do high RSI stocks. I don't invest in it, but this has a lot of upside in it, and I just want to get in right now. I bought like 400 shares today, and I'm looking to add more to it, probably like next week or two, depending on how the stock moves. In the pre-market, it was up 30%. It dropped down to 17%, and it's currently at $2.70 something cents. The MACD, it crossed over on the bottom side, which is going to rise up and above the volume bars, which means more profit and more gains. And this company is doing great things. I'm gonna slide over here to Bazinga Pro to see exactly why it's moving up. MDGS expands EV operation with acquisition of autonomous technology. Shares are up 31%. This is what made me look at it. MDGS is actually a medical device company, but with this news right here, they just got deals with the EV and autonomous technology side of the game, and that's pretty big for a medical company to cross over to a market that's nowhere near the medical field. But the reason why is that they create micro cameras. They create the cameras that doctors and surgeons use to go into, like, can't get my word out. They create micro cameras and optical cameras that they stick down your throat into your stomach. As you see here, the Muse system, the MDGS ultrasonic surgical endostapler, that's what Muse stand for. It's basically a 3-step procedures where they stick the camera down in your stomach. This for people with acid reflux and any type of reflux. They put the camera in your stomach. It has a stapler on it, so to prevent the reflux from shooting up, they staple the tissues or the muscles together to prevent the flux from rising, and you can, live a better life, eat what you want to eat after they're done. So this is the Muse system, but they also got something what they call the scalp cam, and I'm gonna go over to that tab. The scalp cam is involved in all of these industries: the medical, aerospace, industry, defense, and research. Scalp cam announces 3 development projects with the Israeli Air Force. That was back on December 14th. October 28th, Scalp Cam receives U.S. patent notice of allowance for its top camera technology. Look how thin that camera is right there. And they just received a patent for it. Scalp Cam approved as certified vendor of Israeli Ministry of Defense. These are major things and major catalysts for this company. As you can see, the price is still low, because YouTubers and Wall Street, they not bragging or doing coverage on this company as they should. So this is why it's a good chance to go ahead, take a position with this company. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just putting stocks on your radar, hopefully to gain profit. You got to trade with your own mind and your own money, with your own intuition. Remember that. But I just wanted to show you all this. 2021 will be a great year for a lot of stocks, especially stocks that's going into the emerging markets like EVs and autonomous technology. And for, like I said, for a company that specializes in medical devices to cross over to you know, aero defense and EVs and industries, man, that's a good look. That's a good look. Their cameras, their micro optical camera can go a long way. So with that being said, while you investing, make sure you feel good investing. And I'm out.